Hello, hi everyone, welcome to this channel, and I'm going to show you today how to use ChatGPT. If you have not used it yet, just watch it till the end and you will know how to use ChatGPT for your different requirements. So for using ChatGPT, you have to go to the Chrome, type openai.com in the tab, click OK. The OpenAI is the parent company which created ChatGPT. You go further down and you will find here a tab, try ChatGPT. You have to click here. After that, this window will open, on which you can see this is the window of ChatGPT, and here the examples of what you can ask ChatGPT to do, what are its capabilities and what are its limitations. Today I am going to show you two things. First, how to talk to ChatGPT about anything, and second, how to use ChatGPT in regional languages, for example in Hindi. So let's say for example you want to know top 10 institutes in the world for MBA. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT. Now I ask the question, what are the best MBA universities or institute across the globe, and the ChatGPT responds, here are the 10 top institutes with which offer excellent MBA programs. So it enlists Harvard Business School, Stanford Graduate School of Business, Wharton School, NCARD, London Business School, Columbia Business School, MIT, University of Chicago, IE Business School Spain, Kellogg School of Management, Northwestern University, etc. So as you can see, it answers like a human being, but it is actually an artificial intelligence bot, nothing else. Now I will ask the ChatGPT whether it knows how to speak and write in Hindi. So as you can see, to my answer whether to my question whether ChatGPT can understand Hindi or not, it is saying yes, I am capable of understanding, writing and speaking in Hindi. However, my proficiency in Hindi depends on the complexity and context of the conversation or text. As an AI language model, I have been trained on a vast amount of text data in Hindi and other specific languages, so I can understand and generate text in Hindi. So let me ask one question with ChatGPT in Hindi, and let's see how it responds. मैंने पूछा, आई आस्क्ड ChatGPT, आपका आविष्कार किसने किया था, हु इन्वेंटेड यू, एंड टू विच इट रिस्पॉन्ड्स, मेरा आविष्कार OpenAI ने किया था, which means my invention was done by OpenAI. I was invented by OpenAI. OpenAI एक रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो AI आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के फील्ड में काम करती है, और मैं उनके AI का रिसर्च का हिस्सा हूँ. सो यू कैन सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुली इट आंसर्स एंड आर्टिकुलेट्स थिंग्स. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you. If you liked it, please like and share. Have a good day.